Hello everyone, my friends. I welcome you back to my channel, or rather, to your channel. Today I'm going to explain the specific location and the exact firing order of the cylinders found in a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder Ford Explorer, specifically from the model years 2011 all the way through 2019. Here in this video, we can see a very clear and detailed example of a standard Ford Explorer engine layout. This information is essential for anyone performing maintenance or repairs on this particular vehicle's power plant. The first thing we need to do is go to our vehicle and open the hood. As we stand directly in front of the engine, facing the very front of the vehicle's engine block, we must ensure we are properly positioned. Once we are situated right in front of the engine, we can begin to carefully count each of the individual cylinders. Many of us are already well aware that this specific vehicle is equipped with a total of 6 cylinders. On the windshield side are cylinders number 1, 2, and 3. And on the radiator side are cylinders number 4, 5, and 6. The firing order of the cylinders would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, then number 4, followed by number 2, then number 5. After that, cylinder number 3, and finally, cylinder number 6 fires. Keep in mind that even though the cylinders look horizontal here, in reality, there are two banks that form a V shape, but they appear horizontal when you look at the front of the engine. Well, my friends, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.